shows, Hindi or English? Hindi mein I like Dekh Bhai Dekh a lot as when I was growing up, and I liked to watch all the cartoons. And I used to watch Jussie. That's the only show I remember that I used to watch. And English mein I like Grey's Anatomy, and I've not seen so many classic TV shows that I have deprived myself of this privilege. But
So
you?
Hindi shows में I think बड़े भैया की दुल्हनिया, तू मेरा हीरो and सारा भाई versus सारा भाई are my favorite. And
That's not being biased at all.
and in I think Western shows I love Blacklist, like how I love
Yeah, no,
Blacklist.
he's
I can't-
recommended that to me also.
Everyone, yeah, amazing things should be experienced. It's an experience. It's a
And
lovely,
I've
lovely
heard,
show.
and then my next show that I'm going to watch is Narcos and Black Mirror.
Please watch Blacklist first.
Okay, 5 words to describe the other. So he is very generous. He's very fun-loving, and he's very intelligent, like very street smart. I think he knows his shit. Like he knows what to talk, who to talk to, and a good conversationalist, and very responsible towards people who he feels he should be accountable to. So yeah, what are 5 words to describe me?
Fresh. She'll be
So
damn
fresh.
pissed.
I should
She'll be
advertise for Little I feel.
सुनहरा बदन
Some-
हल्दी चंदन
Yeah. I got an offer to
Nima
do
Sanal
film,
girl,
you know?
Nima San
No Santu I got.
Oh, mommy. All right, so Namita, 5 words for Namita would be natural. You're such a natural.
Okay. I'm
Um,
accepting anything that you
And
give me
she
right
is very like I might not find the right words, but I have it in my head, but I don't know how to put it in my mouth and take it out. So she's got a very I love the fact how good she is with conversations and with people in terms of, like, again, the thing that you said, conversationist. I think that's what you are. I'm not. So yeah, that goes to
You are a good conversationalist with people who you want to be in a conversation
you are good
with.
conversation with everyone. Yeah,
Huh.
like you just know
That
how to
I
talk.
know, but-
she knows how to strike a conversation, and
but
she's very smooth with all of that. So that's lovely. And then another would be क्या करना क्या था इसमें 5 words to describe. So what all did you say to me? Generous and all of that. No, huh? So words for you.
Generic now you'll get.
No, I'm just trying to understand that क्या बोलना होगा. I don't know such things. No, yaar, I'm bad at it.
Say anything.
So you are a natural, you are a conversationalist, and you are a philanthropist.
Wow.
And
Theologist, misogynist. Anything
and,
else?
laundry what?
Misogynist, I said.
And यार तू मेरे को concentrate नहीं करनी. तेरे को एक तो पता है कि I'm not good with all of this.
So I'll
ऊपर से
accept
you-
whatever
No,
he
let me
said.
say why am I कच्ची
thought
कच्ची कच्ची खिलाड़ी क्या होता है? कच्ची पारी.
Yeah, I thought you being too pressurized.
So it's okay, no? Let me learn things, no? Yeah. And what should I say? Like there is so much to say, but I don't know how to.
I know you, na. You know there are things
You
in your
don't
head.
what? Huh?
There are
Help
things
me
in your
feed-
head, but you
feed
can't
some words.
articulate it.
Feet, yeah, articulate.
You feel that I'm very. So I should tell you what you
No,
feel about
like
me.
just tell me, give me one word, and I'll choose that. Hi, it's yes. or
Are you
no.
mad?
You know how I feel.
Why will I give you options about myself?
Okay, let me think.
It's okay, too.
Supercharged.
See you coming up with good.
Supercharged. What was the first thing I said?
Energetic term.
I
not.
said, you're not lazy.
See, natural I am.
Natural, supercharged, lazy.
Lazy.
Supercharged when she's working, lazy otherwise.
Supercharged. Lazy when working also.
Uh-huh.
Supercharged
I was
only
being
when I'm
nice.
partying.
I was just being nice. And then I said conversationalist, and then
Good enough.
there's something very nice that I can say. There's such a wonderful thing about you. Hardworking. See what the, like there's so many things, like 5 words are so small, but yet I took so much of time to just say 5 words.
I should have said hardworking. If not acting, then what profession would you be in? He'll be only an actor. Look at how vain he is. No, I think I would be. I'd do something with literature or writing, I think.
Oh yeah, she'll be so good with it. I think she would be probably, you know, be a psychiatrist or something like that.
I can. I love
See?
observing people.
See? Or probably a influencer. Influencer होगा या share होगा?
Influencer. किसमें?
Like you'll observe people and you'll tell
Maybe I'll
them,
become an image consultant. I don't know. So
yeah,
many options
yeah.
are there now.
Oh my god, you're so
What
talented.
would you be?
I don't know. I don't want to be anything. I'm
He
good.
wants only to be an actor. Delhi or Mumbai? Favorite hangout place? Mumbai. I used to be a very Delhi
Goa.
person.
Not Goa
Ee.
anymore. Not Goa anymore. Enough of it.
Delhi or Bombay? Mumbai? Sorry.
Company matters. People. People around you. Your loved ones. You can be anywhere.
I like Mumbai any day. If not acting, would you like to do something like hosting or dancing? Me, I would have
Dancing
two
show?
thoughts about it. I would have two thoughts about it.
No, I'll do it. I'm really fond of hosting. So people out there, Priyanjara is available
He's
for
a
all kind of
natural
hosting.
host. He's a host in his real life all the time. Oh yeah, actually. What do you think is each other's biggest strength as an actor?
So her in-depth knowledge about the craft, she has learned the craft properly in a very.
I don't necessarily apply it all the time. You
That's
make me
what
feel
exactly.
ashamed now
No,
with
exactly.
all these
That's
good
the reason.
comments.
The reason is that you're so much into it that you are too self-critical. That's the problem. So she has gone so deep into the craft that she is like इतना ज़्यादा self-critical हो जाती है कि इतना होना भी नहीं चाहिए. You know what I'm saying? So she's really theoretically, she has understood, learned the craft, which is an amazing thing. And then after that, that will of excelling in it and being more good at it, and then doing her homework. Yeah, like एक होता है कि आपको पता है मेरे को homework करना है, और एक आपको पता है कि आपको क्या homework करना है. तो she has that. She knows that which areas are there that I need to work on, and if she doesn't know, she gets to know it from someone, and then she'll try and imply it. And that awareness she has, a lot of awareness she has about the craft. So that makes her a very good actor.